What is up, YouTube? It's finally some good weather here in upstate New York. Got Jake behind me in the Impala, and we're going to get the cars washed. That's a common thing we do on this channel, is just wash the car. Like every time, pretty much every video, we wash the car. But yeah, that's what we're off to right now. It's literally going to be 70 degrees tomorrow, and I cannot be any happier. It's currently 50 degrees. A lot of the snow has melted. There's still some, as you can see. Ooh, that's not good. Okay, didn't like that, but made it through. But yeah, no, there's still some snow, but it probably will be gone by tomorrow, I'd assume. So at least no more staring at that shit all the time. But yeah, I'm excited. I could just feel summer around the corner. I'm happy! We successfully have made it to the wash. Jake's over there next to me. The drive here was fucking hellish. Traffic, horrible. Motherfuckers don't know how to drive. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Like, it was really bad. We literally went to go pass a truck because he was going so slow. And as soon as we passed him, he then got over. And then we couldn't get back over into our other lane. It was fucking stupid. It was dumb. It was like, bro, you couldn't have done that 8 years ago? Like, come on. Now we just sit here and wait until I get the green arrow, you know. All right, now that I got you for a little while, we've discovered a new problem with the car. Yippee! Yippee! Okay, so what I've noticed about the car is that when it doesn't start, if you slightly just press a little bit down on the gas pedal to, like, I guess, I don't know, tighten the throttle cable by doing so, it starts. And I got a comment a couple months ago on a video saying I need to tighten my throttle cable, which I already did know about. And now I'm thinking it's also that too that's also causing the car to not to start. And I've tried to find every like video or information known to man to figure out how to tighten a throttle cable, and I can't find anything. I'm being so dead ass. I can't find anything that's like a straightforward answer. I've heard people just say you have to order a new part entirely, and like that just is gonna suck if that's the case. But I mean, I've seen other people tightening their throttle cable, and they're like not on this car specifically. It's hard to find for this car specifically. I found for like literally every other car. It just has like on every other car, it has like a bolt that you just kind of tighten with a wrench and it tightens. I don't see that whatsoever on my car. I don't. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I mean, for now, at least I have a solution to how to start the car. At the end of the day, if that fails, it's still also a fuel pump thing. But we keep the tank full, of course. But yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy the car wash, and then I guess I'll pick it up in a little while. Not my best work, but still decent. Good enough, dry enough. Not too worried about it. I think it might be time to replace the headlights. They're really foggy right here. I don't like them anyways. Comment down below, you think I should keep the halos or get rid of them? I'm thinking chrome. Chrome headlights. Clear side. This fuck boy. Ugh. I'm gonna touch you.
No, dude. Dude, be careful with the camera. My butt crack show.
Your butt crack is not out, bro.
Dude, I swear to God, it's out.
It is not out.
My butthole's cold.
Yeah, it's not out. Once again, I'm afraid to turn the car off, so I'm just going to keep it running. It's got a full tank of gas. Still so upset about that caliper, both calipers actually. I think the car looks so good. I can't wait to get either paint that front bumper or get a new front bumper. That's in the works. But I want to talk about another subject at a later point in this video. Maybe not right now. But there's a couple ideas running through my head. A couple big ideas that might involve selling this car. That's all I'm going to say for now. I'll touch briefly on it probably in the next clip. But yeah, it's an idea. It's an idea. I just don't think I could. We'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. Dude, I low-key just fuck with the black on the orange. Too bad you don't have like different colored wheels.
Well, I'm going to.
Oh, you're going to? What do you mean?
Are we serious?
What wheels are you getting?
I was either thinking I'm getting those redone.
Getting them redone? Like
Yeah,
powder coated?
repainted, yeah. I was either thinking bronze or white.
I think I'd say white if your car was like blue. I don't know if... Oh,
It's stuck.
oh well, RIP the driveway.
Whatever.
Is that the old can? Didn't that happen last time?
Yeah, look at that.
Dang out.
Right?
I don't think bronze.
I don't know. I kind of like the bronze. I saw a red
red
SI with bronze wheels, and I fell in love.
Well, you're like hot pepper red. You're not like red.
It's still red.
I would do
A reddish orange.
I would do either white. It's not raining. You're lying.
I just felt something.
There's not supposed to be a single drop of rain at all today.
Yup.
Is that the only coat you're gonna do? Or?
Well, they're already pretty much primed from before.
I guess. It's supposed to be 67 degrees in 2 hours. You're just gonna put it back on already?
I don't care.
You don't. Okay. I mean,
As long as the wheel's not touching it.
I think white, or honestly like
White would look tough.
or not like gunmetal silver, but like that Jeep silver that's in the garage. That would work.
I kind of like silver.
Like silver would work because like your headlights are kind of like silverish, kinda. Wouldn't be bad.
But I like these rims. Like, I like the design.
I think, like, yeah, I like if you're gonna get them repainted or powder coated or whatever, I would just get new rims at that point and then just keep these as like backup.
The beaters?
Not like, yeah, beaters, but also just like backup wheels, you know what I mean?
I don't got the funds.
I low-key regret selling my my new Edge stocks. Not my stocks, but the other ones. But I also don't at the same time, because I'm not gonna ever drive this car without these wheels. My calipers are once blue again. Let's go. Such a simple fix. So glad it was a very warm day out today. Else we would not have been able to do that project. The highest today was 70. It's currently, what? March 10th. 70 in March? I'll take it. I'll literally take it. I cannot complain about that at all. It's so nice out. It is by no means warm out, and I'm in shorts. But earlier I was saying, I think I said it at the car wash, that I'm thinking about buying a new car potentially. And I've been thinking about it for a while now. And there's one that I have in mind. And it's what I originally always wanted was a new Edge Mustang. There's a dude that is selling a black 99 New Edge Mustang for $9K in my area. It has 95,000 original miles, so like 30,000 less than what this has. And I feel like realistically I could get them down to 8K, but then it leaves getting rid of this thing. I believe in the condition it is now, I could easily get around 75 to 7 out of this car. It's got 135,000 miles, so if I was going to sell it, now would be the time to sell it, because no one's going to buy a 30-year-old Mustang that has over like 150,000 miles. So I don't know. The wheels I obviously wouldn't sell with it. Those would be going on the new one, and I would revert the seats back to stock and throw the Mach 1 seats in the new one as well. But this car's in good condition for the most part, and as I'm saying that, is it leaking oil? Or something. It's leaking something. Look at this. Is that just water? Or no. That looks like it's by the power steering rack. It's a new power steering rack. There's no way it's leaking power steering. It's a new rack. Bruh.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Okay, well, regardless, it's just a food for thought. It's not like confirmed that I want to do that yet. I still would want to save up a little bit more money on top of that before selling this car. But I just don't think I could ever really part with this car. The only reason I'm considering it is just for the mere fact that it's getting to the point where I feel like there's a new problem with it all the time. And not saying that I'm not gonna get those problems with a 99, because realistically down the road, since it's the same body and basically same mechanically, besides the 99 has the PI engine, it's just gonna, I don't know, it would prolong problems happening, especially if I also do preventative maintenance if I were to buy it. But yeah, no, tell me what you guys think. Would you guys want to see a new Edge on this channel? It's basically bone stock, by the way. I meant to mention that. And it's bone stock, but does have a new exhaust and a cowl hood. That's literally it. But would you guys want to see that on the channel? Would you guys be open to seeing a new Edge instead of this thing? We've had our time with it. Or do you want to see the final form of this car that I have in stock in my brain when everything's all said and done? So tell me what you guys think. Should I keep this, get it dialed into where I want it to, or bring a new Edge onto the channel and start from square one So, yeah. Tell me what you guys think. Or if you guys have any other suggestions on what I should bring to the channel, please let me know. I'm considering another car as well on top of a Mustang. I'm thinking about selling my Kawasaki jet ski and buying something for Florida. We'll talk more about that as well. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
God put you in my life to only make it better. Kiss you on your neck, I know it make you wetter. You know I like M's, that's my favorite letter. Sipping on this drink, you know it make me better. God put you in my life to only make it better. Kiss you on your neck, I know it make you